Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Btootos A90 Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds, they sell these on Amazon and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description in case you want to check and make sure that you have the right ones, or if you're trying to get another pair or anything like that. But anyways, there's one of two reasons you might want to do this reset. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if one of the left ear is not working or the right ear is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history so that you can set these up again as a new set of earbuds, we can do this, and it's really quite simple to do. All you need to do is go ahead, before you reset the earbuds themselves, you want to go in and on your device, go ahead and delete the old pairing of these earbuds off of it and go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off. And then what you're going to want to do is put your earbuds in the case, close the case, leave them in the case for at least 5 seconds, then open the case, take them out, and put them in your ear. And when they're in your ear, you're just going to come and simultaneously on both touch the back button panel 5 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with them in your ear. And then you should hear the earbuds say power off. And that means that the reset is complete. They'll turn off. Then you can turn them back on and set them up as a brand new set of earbuds.